In the wake of the deadly Legionnaires disease outbreak in Harlem, the state health department says it will undertake a thorough review of the city's response. The outbreak, which claimed 6 lives and made 111 people sick, has been linked to 12 cooling towers, a number of them at city-owned buildings, including Harlem Hospital. But determining which cooling tower or towers made people sick isn't easy. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis visited the lab to see just how scientists are using DNA to figure it out.
So if they're brown, that means they're positive.
That's water collected from cooling towers being tested at the Department of Health lab for Legionella. It's a week-long process. Another method involves placing droplets directly on a plate to see how the culture grows. That takes 10 days. And those are just 2 steps in the painstaking effort underway to identify the source of the recent deadly Legionnaires disease outbreak in Harlem and to bring it under control.
We're very thorough, right? And so it takes time to utilize all those methods and put all that information together.
Another lab analyzes cultures taken from patients who have tested positive for the disease.
And here you can see the media that we use to grow the Legionella bacteria.
Further testing identifies the specific strain. From there, the isolated specimens from the towers and the patients are taken to another floor for extraction.
So we remove the DNA out of the bacteria.
The DNA is then loaded into a genome sequencer that runs for up to 40 hours.
The things are actually doing the chemical reaction to determine what that genetic code is.
The sequencers generate hundreds of gigabytes of data, which is then analyzed to see if there's a match.
This is a cluster, and then this is a cluster. So these are related to each other, these are related to each other, these are related to each other.
The goal is to pinpoint the exact cooling tower that sickened a particular patient. It's the kind of detective work that goes on year-round on a number of public health threats.
We are working on foodborne outbreaks, we're doing surveillance for ticks and mosquitoes. All that work has to get done. And we don't stop doing that work. It just gets done along this work, but of course, this is prioritized.
By a team of 24 scientists working virtually around the clock. In Kips Bay, Marcus Solis, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.